How to log in into your PNC Bank mortgage account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your PNC Bank mortgage account. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type PNC Bank and press the enter. Then you can see the website at the top. Click on it. Once you are on the PNC Bank homepage, click on the sign on button in the top right corner. Now you will see the login page. Enter your ID and password. If you haven't registered yet, you can click on enroll in online banking right here. Go ahead and type in the user ID and password. After entering your details, click the login button. And that's it. You are now logged in into PNC Bank mortgage account where you can manage your mortgage, view your statement and make payments. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you find this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.